Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Passwords. Your device often saves passwords when you sign in, so your Apple ID password might be saved here. After tapping Passwords, authenticate using Face ID or your fingerprint. Once authenticated, you will see a list of saved passwords. Use the search bar at the top to type in Apple and check if your Apple ID password is saved. If you do not find it there, the next step is to check other password managers in your apps. For example, Google apps like Gmail or Chrome have their own password managers. Open the Google app and search for Password Manager, then open the first link. You may be asked to sign into your Google account again. Here, you can check if your Apple ID password is saved. If neither of these methods work, the easiest way is to reset your Apple ID password. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.